Hey guys, today we are going to see how to have standard normal distribution in TensorFlow. So it is, let's say, define y is equal to tf dot random dot normal, and let's have a vector of 1 comma 4 and then mean is equal to 0 and standard deviation is equal to 1. Okay, and then let's print y, and yes, this will give you random values of mean equal to 0 and standard deviation is equal to 1, and the shape is 1 comma 4 and the float type is and the data type is float 32. So this is how you create a standard normal deviation by using the normal function. Thanks for watching. Do like, comment, share and subscribe, and comment if you have any other questions. Stay curious, keep coding.